Hello dear students and welcome to Speak German in Minutes. This is the very first video of our German A1 course and I am so excited to have you here. Now, let me tell you something personal. German is not my native language and neither is English. And that's exactly why I understand how it feels to start learning a new language with all the confusion, frustration and the fear of forgetting what you just learned. I have been through this journey myself. I know how it feels when lessons move too fast or when pronunciation sounds impossible. That's why my method is different. I will guide you step by step in the simplest, most practical way so you can master reading, writing, listening and speaking in German fast, easy and naturally. See, many teachers begin with greetings like Auf Wiedersehen on day 1, but honestly, that's only give you a headache because without a foundation, it's just noise. So today, we will start at the true beginning, the alphabet, the heart of every language. From there, you will learn pronunciation hacks and real examples that you can start using right away. So, let's begin this journey together. From the very first step, the German alphabet. The German alphabet has 26 letters, just like English, plus 4 special ones. Don't worry, we will go slowly, step by step. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and soon you will sound like a native. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z,
U,
SZ. Now that you know the alphabet, let's learn the most important pronunciation rules, the hacks that make German easier from day 1. Follow carefully, repeat after me and practice aloud. A or A umlaut sounds like E in bed. Examples: Mädchen, Spät. AE sounds like I. Examples: Eins, mein. EA sounds like E in C. Examples: fear. G. AU or AU sounds like Oi in boy. Examples: Neu, heute. ST at the beginning sounds like ist. Examples: Straße, stehen. SK like English isk. Examples: iski, fahren. SS or SZ strong S. Examples: müssen, lassen. T, ch sounds like cha. Examples: Katja, Katze, Platz, Platz. TSCH sounds like so in church. Examples: Deutsch, Deutsch. Choose, choose. Chet sounds like ch. Examples: zwei, zwei. Zeit, Zeit. SCH sounds like s in ship. Examples: Schule, Schule. Schlafen, Schlafen. CH has two versions, hard and soft. Hard CH, k after a, o, u. Examples: book, book. Auk, auk. Otherwise soft s. Examples: ish, ish. Expression, expression. A, u sounds like o in now. Examples: house, house. Auf, auf. T-E-O-N sounds like Sion. Examples: information, information. Station, station. E-K sounds like ish. Examples: richtig, richtig. Vanish, vanish. P-V pronounce both letters. Examples: Apfel, Apfel. Fade, fade. Yot sounds like ya in yes. Examples: ya, ya. Junge, Junge. V sounds like F. Examples: Vater, Vater. Feel, feel. V sounds like English V. Examples: Wasser, Wasser. V, V. S before a vowel sounds like G. Examples: Jiven, Jiven. Jo, Jo. Otherwise it's just S. Examples: house, house. Das, das. These are the most important pronunciation aids you will ever need in German. If you master these from day one, you will be able to read and pronounce almost any word you see. Don't worry if you forget. Just rewatch this lesson. Repetition is the secret to fluency. Every time you repeat, your brain locks the sound deeper into memory. So keep practicing, stay curious, and celebrate your progress no matter how small. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is also learning German. And don't forget to comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Your words might inspire someone else to keep going. Let's keep learning, growing, and speaking German together. See you in the next video. Cheers.